What happens if my condensate pump fails? If it fails, the water from your heating or cooling system can back up, leak, and even shut the system down. A condensate pump has one job, and that is to move the water that forms when air or water is cooled. That water is called condensate, and it usually comes from an air conditioner, high-efficiency furnace, or dehumidifier. When the pump works, it lifts the water into a drain or outside line so it does not collect in the machine. If the pump stops working, the water has nowhere to go, so it can overflow the pan, drip onto floors, or trigger a safety switch that turns the system off. That is why a small pump matters so much, even though it is easy to overlook. One thing many people do not know is that a clogged drain line can look just like pump failure. So the real problem is not always the motor itself. Another less obvious issue is a stuck float switch, which can stop the pump even when the pump is still good. You can check for power, listen for buzzing, and look for standing water, but be careful because wet areas around electrical parts can be dangerous. If you catch the problem early, you may only need to clean the line, reset the switch, or replace a small part instead of dealing with water damage. A common mistake is waiting until water is already leaking, because by then, the damage can spread to drywall, carpet, and wiring, so check the pump at the first sign of dripping or a smell of mildew. Another mistake is assuming the pump is bad when the drain tube is simply blocked, so make sure the line is clear before buying a new unit. People also forget that a pump can fail because it is the wrong size for the job, so if it runs constantly or never fully empties, it may be undersized or worn out. A quick tip is to test the float by gently lifting it and seeing whether the pump starts. If your system keeps shutting off, do not keep forcing it to run because the safety switch is trying to protect you from overflow. If you need help with a project, search for trusted, affordable local contractors at www.bidhomeprojects.com. Another option is to download our app, JobIt Tier, where homeowners and property owners can list jobs and have home service experts and contractors reach out and message you back with their estimates.